Every night at 10 o'clock sharp, the kitchen went silent, except for one very important sound. Purr, purr. Sir Whiskerton, the house cat, was stretched out in front of the refrigerator, its self-appointed guardian. He believed the fridge held the most valuable treasure in the house, and he took his duty very seriously. Behind the wall, a tiny rat named Nibbles studied the situation. He had seen a glorious slice of chocolate cake inside, and this was going to be the boldest snack mission ever. Phase 1. Distraction. A spoon rolled across the floor. Clang. Sir Whiskerton opened one eye, then closed it. Phase 2. Confusion. A cereal box crashed down from the counter. The cat rushed over, but soon found himself distracted by the crunchy flakes. Finally, Phase 3, the impossible climb. Nibbles pulled the fridge door open just enough to slip inside. Just as he grabbed a crumb, Sir Whiskerton turned. Their eyes met. The cat just yawned. "Too much effort," he muttered, curling back up. Nibbles smiled, took a respectable bite, and disappeared. Legends aren't made without a little risk.